Here I have a quick and easy dinner idea for you. It's just a chicken salad, basically in Spanish, ensalada de pollo. All those mix-ins in there just make this so delicious. I like to just eat mine with some tostadas and a jalapeño. So good. Let me show you how I make it. I'll be boiling one chicken breast along with onion, garlic, bay leaves, some salt for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove. Don't get rid of that water. You can use that for another recipe. It's great for rice. In another pot, boiling some potatoes. I used about one potato and I diced it very thin. I boiled that for about 5 minutes. And then in the same pot, I'm adding my carrots, boil that for another 5 minutes. In another pot, adding some oil, some salt, bringing that to a boil, and adding my pasta. You can omit the pasta, but I like to add that to my chicken salad. Rinse that, and now in a bowl, add the chicken, some diced purple onion, adding the carrots, some corn, some peas. And remember, you can do this salad any way that you like, okay? This is just my way. I'm also going to add in some celery. Going to give that a good mix and then adding in some shredded lettuce. Also adding in some pickled jalapeños that I just diced up, mixing that, adding in the mayonnaise, sour cream, mixing that. Then I'll be adding in the potatoes. Give that a good mix. Then in goes the pasta. Mix that until it's all incorporated. And at this point, you could taste it. And if you're missing anything, then you can add it. I thought I needed a little bit more mayonnaise, a little bit more sour cream. I added some salt, some pepper. Give that a good mix. And this is finally done. Look how delicious that looks. I mean, all of that mixed in together makes this chicken salad 10 times better. I know you're going to love it. And like I said, everybody has their version of making this. This is just my version. I mean, I've seen people add other stuff. Do what you like. It's your chicken salad. Do what you want. I know I'm ready to eat. This is going to be so delicious. I'm super hungry. I eat mine on a tostada. I've had it with crackers too. That's good too. And I cannot forget the pickled jalapeno. This is so, so delicious. I hope you make it and I hope that you love it just as much as I do. Enjoy.